Okay, this is an introduction on zero product rule. Okay, basically I want you to find out the answer for each of the expressions. Let's say the first one, 1 times 0. Answer is 0. Okay, 1000 times 0, 0. How about 0 times negative 5? Still 0. Next one, 0, 0. How about 0 times 0? You try your calculator? What does your calculator say? Answer is 0. For the last one, 2 times 1. 2. So from here, I want you to realize something. When do we get 0? What we realize is if we want to get zeros from the product, okay, at least one number must be a 0. You can have 1 0 or you can have 2 zeros, but there must be at least one that's a 0. This is actually about zero product rule. Basically, when I have A times B equals to 0, then it means that either A is 0 or B is 0, or you can have both that are 0. Okay? This all means either A is 0, B is 0, or both A and B are 0. Okay? I can have any of these three cases. Now let's come to some questions. Okay, I'll look at part A first. X times x minus 2 equals to 0. Let's start with this first. Can you see two brackets? Or can you know, right, what is multiplying with what? Yes, can you see that it's x multiplied by x minus 2 first? So this is like your A times B equals to 0. So by the zero product rule, what can you tell me? Okay, x times x minus 2 equals to 0. By zero product rule, I can conclude x is 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, I found one answer, which is x can be 0. The other one, I need to continue find the value of x. X equals to 2. That is the answer. Okay, so I have two possibilities. Okay, and you need to write x equals to 0 or x equals to 2. Now let's look at the other one. 4x times x minus 1. Can I see two brackets? Okay, first of all, we take a look slowly. Don't give me the answer first. You tell me who can be 0. X? Actually, it's 4x. Take the whole thing. Okay, this can be 0 or x plus 1 can be 0. Okay, either 4x equals to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0 by zero product rule. So I have two answers, 0 or negative 1. So I see this. Ayo, don't have my brackets. Before I do my brackets, basically I am factorizing. You need to factorize it first. After I factorize 3x times x plus 6, what can you tell me by zero product rule? I have two answers, x equals to 0 or x equals to negative 6. Put all in the middle. Okay, now let's look at this question. Same thing. A and B you should be able to do by zero product rule. X plus 5 times x minus 7 equals to 0 by the zero product rule. What can you tell me? Yes, I will use this one. X plus 5 equals to 0 or x minus 7 equals to 0. Someone asked me whether I can use comma. No, you can't. Use or. Now that I can find my values of x. Negative 5 or 7. Now this expression using zero product rule. What are the two equations that you can give me? Okay, class, your answer should be negative 2/3 or 5/4, but there's one answer that I need to change. I need to change the 5/4 to 1/4. Thank you very much. I need to leave it in mixed fraction. Yeah. Okay, so I'm looking at part C. Basically, if I have this, I need to factorize. Okay, W plus 4 times W plus 4. Okay, now I have two brackets. I use zero product rule. W plus 4 equals to 0 or W plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, do you realize that both will give me the same answer? What's the answer? -4. So do I need to write both or just write one only? Yes, you just have to write one. Answer W equals to -4. Okay? But most important is you need to use the box method or factorize it.